What's up? So, as the title suggests, this is my last ride on the KLX, and to be honest, I've had some really bad luck with dirt bikes in the last few weeks. I bought a bike, and it's already broken. I missed the last day of the riding season because my KLX's battery was dead, and it was a pain to get started. And then I made a stupid mistake and destroyed the engine case on my KLX, which is fun and expensive, especially because I'm going to sell the bike soon, so I lost pretty much all the money I'm going to make on it. But nonetheless, even with the season ending and all my bad luck, I still have a few exciting things coming. I'm planning to make a review video on the KLX because I've owned it for about 2 years now and I feel like I'm qualified for that. I want to get a little more into this talking form of videoing. Of course, also, new bike. I'm trying to get a first ride on that thing before the winter, before it gets too cold. And also, I'm going to make a big video just explaining everything that's happened in the last few weeks, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, enjoy this last ride of the season, last ride on the KLX before I sell it. And also last ride before I broke everything. So, enjoy.